Are you confused about the difference between units and SI units? In this video, we're going to address the difference. Hi everyone, I am teacher Zyen from Physics Rocks. So first of all, let us establish what units are. Once you've measured something, you would want to express that measurement correctly, right? Otherwise, your efforts have just gone to waste. Now, units are the way to accurately express that measurement, and most physical quantities have multiple units. So, units are important because once you've taken a measurement, you can't just slap on a number and say, okay, that's my value of measurement. Because the number by itself does not have any meaning. So, say for example, you've measured the distance between your home and your grandparents' home. And you've gotten a number of, say, 10. It's like 10 what? Is it 10 centimeters? 10 inches, 10 kilometers, 10 light years, like what? 10 what? So this is why using the correct units is very important. So when we talk about units, then yes, one physical quantity can have multiple units. And it's not to say that one is better than another. It's not to say that using any one of these is wrong. However, in the scientific community, it is an excellent idea if everyone uses the same standard unit. And that's how SI units came about. It is important because SI units enable researchers to be able to compare their findings easily and accurately. Let's have a simple example. Now, say for example, you and your friend are running the same kind of experiment. Think of it as a competition if you like. So let's say both of you are planting a plant. So say at the end of the 2-week period, you measured your plant and you got a value of 20 centimeters. Then your friend measured his plant and he got a value of 9 inches. So now you've got to compare 20 centimeters against 9 inches. Who's got the longer plant? Just because you have a larger number doesn't mean that you've won. Because both of you have used different units, therefore different scales, which makes it impossible to do a direct comparison. The only way to get an accurate comparison is to convert both of these numbers into the same unit. For example, if you convert the inches into centimeters. Now, there is nothing wrong with doing this, but the problem is that it is an unnecessary additional step. So imagine if there are like thousands of scientists all doing research and they've got to do this comparison and conversion all the time. Therefore, doesn't it make sense that everyone just uses the same unit from the get-go so that you don't have to do any conversion of any sort? That way, it's easier to make a direct comparison. So, do we get the same numbers? Is your experiment far more successful or is mine more successful? And then after that, you can go into examining why. And this is how the SI unit came about. Now, every physical quantity has many different kind of units. For example, length has inches, centimeters, kilometers, feet. For time, you've got seconds, minutes, hours. Temperature, you've got degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. So there are many different units for different physical quantities. But every physical quantity only has one SI unit. So here are some of the common physical quantities and their corresponding SI units. For a more comprehensive list, do check out my blog post in my website in the link below. So if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates on when more video lessons are released. Thank you for watching and remember to click like.